Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study diseases in nursing school. First, focus on understanding the why behind each condition. This foundational knowledge helps you connect symptoms to underlying processes. Next, we'll explore how to organize information efficiently, making it easier to recall during exams and clinicals. Finally, I'll share practical strategies to solidify your learning and apply it to patient care. Begin by mastering the pathophysiology of each disease. This means understanding how the body's normal functions are altered. Connect the etiology, or cause, to the resulting signs and symptoms you'll observe. Knowing the diagnostic tests helps you interpret patient data. Also, consider the common risk factors and potential complications to anticipate patient needs. Once you grasp the disease, focus on nursing care. What interventions will you implement? Think about medication administration, including dosages and side effects. Crucially, plan your patient education. What does the patient need to know for self-management? Also, consider how you'll collaborate with other healthcare professionals to provide holistic care. To truly retain information, employ active study methods. Don't just reread, test yourself frequently using flashcards or practice questions. Concept maps are excellent for visualizing connections between disease components. Teaching others in a study group reinforces your own understanding. Finally, apply your knowledge to case studies to prepare for real-world scenarios and exams.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.